I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Having explored numerous options, I've narrowed it down to the top 5 microscopes perfect for students. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your lab experience, I've got the insights you need. Product number 1, Pali Partners Compound Microscope. When I first unboxed the Pali Partners Compound Microscope, I was struck by its sturdy metal frame and the elegance of its design, especially in that classic brown finish. Setting it up was a breeze. I remember the first time I peered through the WF-25X eyepiece, I was instantly transported into a microscopic world I had only seen in textbooks. The clarity of the image was astonishing, revealing intricate details of the prepared slides. The 6 magnification levels, ranging from 100x to 2000x, made it versatile enough for various observations. One of the standout features is the dual control focus system, where the coarse and fine focusing knobs allow for precise adjustments. This was particularly useful when I was studying bacteria slides. The precision at 0.1 millimeters is impressive and made it easy to achieve a razor-sharp focus. The lab-grade illumination technology is another game changer. With dual LED lights and a 6-level brightness control, I can easily switch between observing transparent and opaque specimens, such as plant cells and insect wings. This versatility is vital in a learning environment. Product number 2, 58-piece Kids Microscope Kit. The first time I opened the UART's 58-piece Kids Microscope Kit, I was immediately impressed by its engaging design and the sheer number of accessories included. At first glance, it seemed like a treasure trove of scientific discovery. The metal body feels durable, and the vibrant blue color adds a fun touch for younger users. I couldn't wait to dive in and explore the microbial world with the 100x to 1200x magnification. Setting it up was straightforward, and I found the LED light provided adequate illumination. What I found particularly charming about this kit is the 44 pieces included, featuring both prepped specimens and blank slides. This encourages kids to not just observe, but also create their own slides, fostering a hands-on learning experience. I remember watching my niece's eyes light up as she discovered the tiny details in the samples. Family engagements is another aspect I loved. It's not just a toy, it's a platform for family activities that can be fun and educational. However, while the kit is excellent for ages 5 to 12, younger kids may require adult supervision to operate it safely. Product number 3, Zalabrion Kids Microscope. Opening the Zalabrion Kids Microscope felt like unlocking the door to a world of scientific adventures. This kit, packed with 67 pieces, is tailored for curious minds aged 3 to 12, and it did not disappoint. The first thing I noticed was the lightweight design, making it easy for kids to handle. The plastic construction is surprisingly sturdy, ensuring that it can withstand the inevitable drops. The magnification range of 100x to 1200x is impressive for a kit at this price point. I was fascinated by how the color LED lighting system can illuminate specimens in 7 different colors. This feature not only makes observations more exciting, but also enhances the visibility of various samples. I remember experimenting with different specimens and being amazed at how much detail I could see. The inclusion of 12 prepared slides and 45 blank slides allows children to create their own specimens, promoting creativity and scientific inquiry. However, the setup process might be a bit tricky for very young kids, but with a little guidance from an adult, they'll be able to figure it out. Product number 4, Herwick Microscope. I was eager to test the Herwick microscope, especially after reading about its powerful magnification capabilities that range from 40x to a whopping 2000x. Upon unboxing it, I noticed its sleek black design, which felt modern yet functional. The first observation was its impressive clarity at different levels of magnification. I could easily switch between 100x, 250x, and even push it to 2000x for some astounding detail. The design is a monocular microscope, meaning it has one eyepiece, which can be a bit tricky for some users who may be used to binocular designs. However, once I adjusted to it, I found the viewing experience quite enjoyable. The adjustable viewing angle was a game changer, allowing me to tilt the microscope easily to fit my workspace. In terms of usability, the complete accessory set was a huge plus. The included beginner experiment set and shock-proof handbag made it easy to store and transport, making it suitable for both home and classroom use. My only concern was that it requires 3 AA batteries, which are not included, but the AC power adapter is a nice addition for those who prefer to avoid batteries. Product number 5, Palabil Microscope. The Palabil microscope instantly caught my attention with its professional-grade features, specifically designed for students aged 8 to 12. Upon unboxing, the robust metal frame and white finish gave it a professional look, while still being approachable for younger users. What stood out to me was the WF-25X eyepiece, which can be used alone or in conjunction with a 2X lens for enhanced magnification. What I found fascinating was its adjustable dual LED light that provides ample illumination for observations. The 6 magnification settings ranging from 100x to 2000x are perfect for various applications, whether it's observing tiny plant cells or more complex specimens. One of the highlights of this microscope is its clear optics, which delivers sharp and bright images. I was able to zoom in quickly without losing clarity, which is crucial for educational purposes. The inclusion of a complete set of accessories further enriches the experience, including prepared microscope slides, blank slides, and a cell phone adapter, which allows users to document their findings easily. However, the requirement for 3 AA batteries, not included, might be a slight inconvenience for some.